A standard method of visualizing sound waves uses an oscilloscope. Now you can have all the power of an oscilloscope with the version 2 BBC microbit when you link it with iLOG data logging software. Learn more about sound waves and how they help us to understand the physical differences between music, speech, and noise. Let's see how it is done. First, connect the microbit to the computer. Then set up a logging session in the welcome box. Collecting data, select Scope Logging, then you're ready. Click Start to begin. We shall record the vowel sound OO at 5 different pitches and observe the waveforms. Let's repeat that, showing the frequency spectrum at the same time. We can see the fundamental frequency reducing as we pitch a lower note. Here is another view in which we can compare the stored waves and measure their periods using the time interval tool. Typically, musical tones contain strong, sustained harmonics. In contrast, as these examples show, the waves for noises are sometimes short-lived, contain random frequencies, and only show harmonics when a pitch can be detected. iLOG software offers a variety of data logging techniques and has many tools for analysis and making graphs come alive.